Hi, I'm Bella. Welcome to the Automotive Technology program. I'm from Buckeye High School, and I'm going to show you a little bit about my program today. Over here, you can see the Automotive Technology program provides great opportunities to get scholarship money in our contest. As you can see, we've been pretty successful over the years. And over here, we have Brakes with Adam, and throughout the program, we learn basic operation and repair. And over here, we have Connor on the alignment rack. And here we have our Volkswagen that was donated to us by Volkswagen of Akron. He's doing an alignment, and we have the Hunter machine that is giving him live results as he's doing it underneath the car. And over here, we have Jack removing the struts on the HHR. In this class, we learn how to remove and replace suspension components, and here's Jack over here taking out the struts on the HHR. This is Nathan at the Solstice, and he's using that scan tool to look at the engine data, which is a part of our engine performance curriculum here in Autotech. Next, we're going to go to our tire center. This is where we learn to mount, balance, and repair our tires. And next we're going to head over to Steven and Justin. This is another part of our engine performance. They're learning to do a leak down and compression test on the Toyota motor. This is Nate and Michael, and they're going to tell you about their early placement.
Hello, my name is Michael. I'm homeschooled, and I got an early placement opportunity at Liberty Ford in Brunswick. Early placement's basically where we don't have to come here for 4 days of the week. We come on Fridays and just catch up on any classwork, and it kind of counts as our lab time.
Hi, I'm Nate. I'm from Brunswick, and I work at Subaru. And after high school, I'm going to continue with Subaru and follow up on my certifications, and hopefully work full-time at Subaru.
After high school, I plan on going to Tri-C for the Ford Asset program and continuing to work at Liberty and hopefully become a master tech someday.
And next, we're going to go to the tool room. This is where we keep all the tools that you need to fix a car. This is our electrical room. These are trainer electrical boards that we used our junior year to learn the basic electronic components on a car. And these ones, this is Ryan over here. This is the advanced electrical board that we train on our senior year. And also in this class, we earn certifications, OSHA, SP2, and ASE. And in the ASEs, you get 2 chances to do your entry-level test. I take my ASE next Friday and hopeful to pass it so I can go out and get a job in the workforce. That concludes our tour here at Autotech, and I hope to see you guys next year.